Welcome to this tutorial on tips for searching the agricultural and environmental science collection by ProQuest. To get started with this search, I'm just going to type hydraulic fracturing and groundwater pollution in the search bar. I have 895 peer-reviewed results returned. You can scroll through the results to get a general sense of what is being talked about and how it is said, and by whom. Some results in ProQuest list the number of times an article has been cited in other published works. This can be an indication of the article's importance in the field. For advanced searches, ProQuest has 26 fields you can search. If you want to search over multiple fields, ProQuest has provided 3 mnemonics you can use to abbreviate the process. TAB will search title and abstract fields, TSU will search title and subject fields, and TABSU will search title, abstract, and subject fields all at once. This is how you would construct a search with these mnemonics. Type your mnemonic, followed by your search term in parentheses. I want to add hydraulic fracturing to be searched in the abstract. So now I have 118 peer-reviewed results. I'm going to save this search. You can access your saved searches under your profile. I'm looking at these 2 searches I saved earlier, and I wonder how many articles connect hydraulic fracturing with leakage and groundwater pollution. So I'm going to select both these searches and combine them with and run a search. I get 8 results covering hydraulic fracturing, leakage, and groundwater pollution. I hope you can use some of the tips covered in this tutorial. Thanks for watching.